Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style, your YouTube cooking channel. So, look, today I bring you one stuffed chicken. So, we're gonna start grating two potatoes in this case. I am gonna add also three garlic, though. Yeah. After the garlic, I am gonna add a little bit of potato flour. Yes, 1 and 2 tablespoon, and half a chopped onion, and also like 2 or 3 tablespoon Padano cheese. Yeah, you can also use Parmesan. Gonna mix all together. Like we need a paste, kind of a paste here. Like all get together, all the ingredients. So now I am going to add a little bit of chili powder or chili flakes, a little bit of salt, some herbs, the Provence or Provencal herbs. This is like a little bit less than 1 tablespoon. Some black pepper, ground pepper, and mix it all together. Just regular standard mixing. Yeah. And I got some spinach. It was frozen. I defrosted, and of course, we need to remove all the water, or the most water we can, and discard the water. Of course, we're gonna add our spinach. This was chopped spinach in this case. Yeah, we're gonna we are gonna mix it together with our potato mix, just like that, and we are gonna finish it with some almonds, and this will be our main stuff. Yeah, for the chicken. So on the other side, I had a debone whole chicken. I I debone it, and I can show you in another video how to debone a chicken just like this. We leave the chicken whole, but in this case, I cut it into the half. One of them that I got the chicken like you see it in the video, just like that. We can do it also the whole chicken, and we don't need to cut anything. But I like to cut it sometimes because the breast I can just uh, put a little bit thinner, and for me it's a little bit better. Yeah, but we can also do it with the whole chicken. I will sometime do a video for it. So now we are gonna help ourselves with a plastic paper film, just like this. We are gonna transfer our chicken. It's gonna just wrench a little bit, like you would try to spread the chicken all along the paper film, especially the breast, that they don't get all together. Yeah, and we will add our paste of potatoes. Oh, but before, we are gonna add some rub for a chicken rub for the chicken. You can also use salt, pepper, garlic. It's up to you. I'm using a rub because it's easier, and I had it. So we're gonna just spread our mix we did, just like that. Now the rest of it. And now we're just gonna roll it like in a three quarter and the other quarter just like that. Yeah? Now we are gonna place it on the fridge for around 2 or 3 hours that it gets a consistency that it doesn't I don't know how to say. You need to place it on the fridge that it gets consistency, yeah, a little bit like get all together, just around 2 or 3 hours. That's it, that will do it. So after the 2 hours on the fridge, it's easier to handle the chicken. Now we're gonna transfer for a bake paper. Yeah, just you see now it's easier to handle. It's not like fluffy. Just place it on our in our bake paper. I wanna wrap it with alu foil, and I'm just gonna cook it at this time with 180 for Celsius degrees for 1 hour. Just as you see in the video, just wrap it and it will cook in 1 hour. Remember, it's not frozen the chicken. Yeah, it's just the 2 hours is not enough to freeze the chicken. Yeah, so it's just preheat back oven or preheat oven at 180 as I mentioned. So now after 1 hour, look, we got our chicken, which is mostly cooked. Yeah, and now we are gonna glaze it to finish the cooking of it. I'm gonna glaze it with onion. Onion. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna glaze it with honey. Sorry about that. Some honey. Just glaze it until you get the colors, and it's just done. Yeah. So check it out. At the end of the video, you will see how it turned out. It's quite easy. So I hope you like it and enjoy it. Take care, everyone, and have a nice day. So look, we do a cut on the chicken and we got our stuff, potatoes, spinach, and our chicken on the side. So take care, everyone, and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy it. Have a nice journey.